Good evening, this is Barbara Campbell, and this is the logo for the anti-racism. So the anti-racism logos for the United States, when it comes to the logo size, it should be recognizable if displayed in a small or large font. It should be a quick visual tool. And the logo, as you can see, it's simple and it represents the product. So there's one white hand and one black hand. They're used for the race, and they make up a shape of a heart along with the color red to show love among races, promoting the anti-racism. Iconic meaning is a brand that carries a powerful universal values like the black and the white hands holding each other. In India, when it comes to logos, the same thing. It should be recognizable no matter the size of the font, that quick visual tool. And again, it's simple and it represents their product. So a half white and half black circle is used to represent the race. And a swastika symbol is used to represent good fortune. So red in mythology denotes bravery, protection, and strength. So the symbolism, the hidden and the deeper and more intricate meaning when communicating like the swastika. So again, it means good fortune here in India. So importance of visual elements. It's important to use visual elements because they are a quick visual reference tool. A simple representation is all that is needed for customers to remember your product. Color and other images can convey emotions like a heart or holding hands. They represent love. Sometimes just the feelings can get your product, they can set your product apart from another product. It's important that you investigate when promoting a product in another country or demographic area because they may be socially acceptable in one place, but not somewhere else. And you can unwillfully insult someone. So again, that swastika in India is good fortune, but Westerners might have, they view this as hate, and this could make or break your company in advertising. Thank you.